feeling now was different. The moon was hot and high. If you don't keep an eye